Hindi ganito talaga lagi gupit ko.
Talaga.
Ikaw ulit intro, boy.
Ako na naman. Nasawa na sa akin ng mga viewers, boss.
Pag yung laro nila? Hello, guys.
Up and over. On one, break.
Hindi na nagsalita.
Hi, guys. I'm feeling so good today.
Facing
play.
here.
Week 5. Week 5, baby! Pangarang
Sonics!
Ito na.
This is fun. Like for last, baby. It's fun.
Iba yung words of the energy mo. This is fun. So pa?
It was a legal screen.
Sa basketball?
Instantly, like, dislocated the guy's shoulder. Hey.
Uy, private conversation to between players lang.
Ito na naman si Polino. Pauline, Trina. So, anong masasabi niyo? Masaya naman. Di ka sure?
Napanood niyo ba yung vlog?
I think. Tattoo tour.
Did you watch the vlog na?
No.
Nako, hindi nagso-support.
Ang dami mong screen time doon.
Oo nga.
30 minutes.
Dami mong. Puro ikaw yun eh. Pauline version.
Mic top.
May napanood akong vlog, hindi pa wala pa yun yung vlog.
Grabe, 5 na yung vlog. Isa lang yung napanood mong vlog.
Okay lang.
Kamusta snap ko?
Ano?
Kamusta snap ko?
Okay naman. Tags. Okay naman. Okay naman. Oh, shit. So, nanginginig yung kamay ko. Badik, ikaw na dito, nanginginig yung kamay ko. Hindi gags. Grabe yun, no?
Hindi ka pa rin hype?
No, that's why I can't be hyped right now. Because I'm not that.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Nice talking, bro. Sorry. Gago.
So, second scrimmage today, we're playing against Kingsman. In the first game we played against Huskies. No score, but had fun, made good adjustments, had different looks, so I think it's really good for us to basically prepare for next week. Yeah, thank you Huskies if you're watching this. Thanks so much, you helped us so much. Shout out to Kingsman. Nice game. Anong sasabi mo sa dalawang touchdown mo?
Sinunod ko yung, inaral ko yung plays. Sinunod ko yung plays.
Yung play na pinagtatawanan niya 2 weeks ago.
Sinunod ko yung route sa plays.
Pwede mo saluhin. Time.
What?
Roy, harap po, harap. Just catch mo. For action shot.
Ano? Ganyan pa rin?
Gusto ko yan yung hawak.
Tatlong ganyan.
One by one.
Yeah, sure. Telephone. Yeah, we can do that. Move a little to the right. Yep, a little back to the left. Konti lang. Left. Up. That's too much. Konti sa right. Oh, yeah. Perfect.
1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3.
Huge shout out for Rysel for helping. Yes, sir.
Like this, get out.
Ako yung one sock na may
Oh, Dad.
Yes, sir. Job be looking for some posts, boy.
Kalbo pa, same kalbo.
Who's that, boy?
Hello? 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 Parang medyo nakaganon. Okay, sige. Actually, last. You're cute. Who's that MJ Shrug? Gusto mo yung right?
No.
Ito.
Yes, sir.
I'll do this. Tama na?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck! Very good. Dead bat. Akala ko ang ganda ng shot ko. Akala ko opak. Tapos, get your stuff na then change. Okay. Get change. Actually, pa-assist kayo kay Job. So, watch.
Yo, these are heat, bruh. Oh, God. Di ko in-expect.
Akala mo?
Akala mo wala. It's a bag, bro. I see my number. 21, bro. That's crazy. The next Deion Sanders. Di ko in-expect. Dude, these are crazy. Bro! Di ko in-expect yun. Alam mo lang. Bro! Uy. Sorry. Sa boss.
Yeah, kasi double time tayo. Delay na tayo sa
Let's go. Fire. Crazy, bro.
So this is what it's inside, our team bags. So it's the front, got Manila Supersonics, Philippine flag in front as well. Name and jersey number at the back. Got one side, the other side we got sponsors, Red Crab, Pragmatic, and Football Life Philippines. Shout out. Got our flags as well. We need these. Shout out Tails. This is one of our jerseys. It's our home color, the white. And sponsors as well. Got the red jersey as well. Here's Coach. Cannot forget these. Got our black jersey. Last but not least, it's non-negotiable for every game. You know, stay warm. Got our warmers, Sonics in the front, the back, sponsors, same sponsors. But last but not least, we're going from the to the end zone. You know what I'm saying? That's it. That's what's inside our bags. See y'all next tournament.
I clapped again. Hi guys, welcome to day 2 of week 5 training. So we're opening up again the other side of the field for open play. Thank you to everyone who came. And on this side, as usual, team scrimmage, controlled scrimmage. And yeah, let's go run some plays. Woo! Running! Woo! Yo, you're blocking me, bro. My bad, gang. I'm just trying to help the team, you know? Okay.
T.O.
SONICS Supersonics, hey!
Range. Yo! Vibes.
What the f*** is that? Wala na yung magbobomb-bombs ako doon tsaka tape.
Give me an S. S.
S. Give me O.
We should make a chat, bro. We should make a chat before MFL. Should make a chat before MFL.
Kahit yung sa charging port. Go, 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 go! Holding! Damn! Go, oh! Oh!
Drop!
Yeah! Enjoy! Yeah! Let's go, Frank! Shoot ya! I'm O, boy.
No, I'm D. I'm D.
O for life.
D.
O for media boy. Currently, hype man. Go right! Go right! Okay, kaya nga break time. Nilabas ko yung phone kasi humina yung ulan. But now, lumakas ulit. Kita ba? Kitang-kita naman. Bye-bye.
Dissect.
CPR!
Hindi dyan!
Saki is curious!
Saki is curious! Lagi marunong. Saki. Frug. Now, we're here in the field in Narca South. So, sobrang lakas ng ulan. Kita mo yung field. Oh my God! Kita mo, sobrang lakas ng ulan. Stop mag-rain. So, stop mag-train.